Welcome to lecture number 3. So we're going to start the VM CentOS 9. Right click, start, and we say normal start. We will wait until the server come online. So here this is up, server is up. Now we use the mobile extreme to connect with the server remotely. So these are the old, I will just delete. So here we're going to connect with the server, new session, SSH, and the IP of the server 10.0.029. Username I can say Smith. Press OK. Accept. Password. Do you want to save password? Yes. And this is the vault password. You can put any password other than this local user password. So here we log in. So if I exit, log out, enter, now we out. So I just next time when I will open the mobile extreme, I will just right click and this say execute, and I will be login directly to the user. So user is who am I, and the current working directory is home, and under home is Smith. So now here we're going to switch with the user root. So enter the password. So now I'm at root, pwd root, current working directory is root, and user is who am I is root. So I will clear now, and we will talk about today about the help man, which is called man, manual pages of the Linux in the built-in in the Linux system. So the first command is mandb. So mandb, we can see this is used to create or update the manual pages index cache. So when we are running this command, so we make sure our manual pages are up to date. So we can take help. What is man is? We can go mandb. So it will show create or update the manual page index cache. So all the detail, you can go down arrow, and or you can use the page down button, page up button, or up arrow or down arrow to see all the details regarding this manual page. From exit, we need to press Q, and we are out. We exit from that page. So we will run the mandb. Since I already executed mandb earlier, so it's already up to date, and so I'll show you again mandb. Okay, so 0 man subdirectories contain your manual pages. So there is none available because I already updated. So here we just going to clear the screen again, and we just see the man. What is man is, we say man, and the help manual pages for man. So from here we can see what is man itself it's capable of. So these are all the switches here, right? It's a man K, man F, and all the options available here. And if you can see here, there is a 9 layers or session of the manual help. You can see the first is executable program or shell commands, systems calls, library calls, special files, files format and conventions, games. And the 6 is game, miscellaneous is system, and system administrator commands usually only for roots. So root can only is admin, a default admin user, and he can run the system administration commands. And 9th is a kernel. So it's a 9 layer of help is available in the Linux or CentOS. So here, so from exit from here, we just press Q, and we get out from the man help, and there is a same like a manual pages, there is a info also available. Like if I say manual pages for info, so this is how it will show. Is that another documentation for the help available in the CentOS or Red Hat. So I can use the down arrow, or I can use the page down or page up, or up and down arrow. We can see if further if you want to look what the detail about this info help available in CentOS. So I can press Q. So same thing, I can go info, like I said man info, I can say info man. So it will tell me what is the main man used for, an interface to the system reference manual, right? So this is how we can check. So the help, if we have full command in help, so within a second you can find out what exactly you are looking for. So I press Q and quit from the manual page, and now we go to look for another command, which is what is mandb. So what is mandb? Give you one line reference, one line definition about this command, right? If I go, suppose making directory mkdir, so it will give you different manual pages, man pages for the mkdir. And if we look at the what is mandb, it will give section 8. It goes under section 8. So if I want to call this manual page, so I will show you how we will call. There are different mkdir pages as also available, so we will call one by one all of this. So before we proceeding, we just clear the screen. So here we're going to we just clear the screen. Now we go sorry, what is mandb? So it says section 8 mandb. So we'll call this if we go just only without this 8, without this thing 8, see what we get. So mandb. So it's going directly to the 8, or we can call this manual page, we just quit and we just say man 8 mandb. So since it is the only help is available for mandb, so that's why it's going directly to the man 8 section. And you can same drill, go up and down with the arrow or page up and down you can use to look for all the help. So we'll quit here and clear again, and we go, let's increase the font size. So here we just go again and we say man mkdir. So this is the manual help for the mkdir. It's making directory. We quit. So what I was looking at, we need to, what is mkdir? So this is the different manual pages is available. So we'll just decrease a little bit. And so there is a 4 different pages are available. So we'll call one by one. If I say only man mkdir, so if we see here on the top left corner, it says mkdir within a one, it's within bracket. Let's quit from here and go and 1p man mk 1p mkdir. So here we can see mkdir 1p. So it's a different pages with different stuff. So you have to look all, and then you have a full command. So we'll quit again, q for quit, and then we can call this mkdir 2. So we'll just go here and we say man 2 mkdir. So it will give us a mkdir 2 page, and here we will see all the details, all the help. You can use the mouse roller to go up and down as well. From q for quit, and again we have a 3p. So man 3p mkdir. So it will give us a mkdir 3p and all the details for this manual. So there is a 4 manual available, and I check one by one all of this. So now we go to look for the another command, which is where is. So if I say clear the screen again, if I say where is mkdir, so this will give me the location of the manual for this command. So here it's a usr bin mkdir. So either I can call man mkdir and quit, and I can say man /usr /bin /mkdir. So this will give me the same mkdir location, mkdir1. Open the help for me. And the other one is a gz, it's belong to zip file, right? It's all mkdir2, this is 1p, and this is 1, this is 3p. So all we help we call mkdir, where we say what is mkdir. So all these are, you can match. It's all reference pages are coming from these location, physical location. So we clear again, and now we just learn about the where is. Now suppose if we know I need to find out something related to account. So what I'm going to do is I will say man -k. If I want to know all the commands, so I will say man minus k dash dot and pipe sign, and I say okay, just leave it here, man minus k and dot. So once I enter this, it will give me all the commands available, right? And here, if I want to count how many lines are here, then we just go, okay, so in this point I don't know what is the command I can use to count the line, how many lines in this. Then I would just say word and word count. If I say search for the word and pipe sign grab count. So there are two commands I can see, wc print new line word and bytes. So I can call this manual page man wc. So from here I can see C for bytes, M for characters, L for lines, and file 0 and capital L is for max line length. So I'll use this number of lines. Print the new line counts. Quit from here. I can say man minus k dot grab pipe sign grab wc minus L. So it will count the number of lines from this command. So I want to know how many commands are here, so I just say pipe sign, and so this I just go to previous command. I just go use the man the up arrow, or I can use the up or down arrow to check the command, or you can keep typing, so that will be give you much good practice. So man minus k dot pipe sign wc word count and L for number of lines. So it's a 7,409 total number of lines. So in here I just want to find out something related with the account, right? So I can say in this command I just want to please grab that wherever account word account comes. So I will say account. So first we clear and we say man minus k dot means all pipe sign grab account. So here we can see all the accounts related, like a user del, user mode. If we want to modify a user account, del to delete or user account, and so these all the commands is available here. Or if I go and related to something change, so I'll say change. So there is so many commands came. So the one I was looking is, so touch is to change the timestamp or create file access and modification. So these are all the commands are available here. So I was looking for the okay, here something is related to the password. So this is I'm going to check. So this is very easy, handy way to check how to search the command. If you are looking, you have some idea but you don't know what is exact command is, but you know something, so you need to use this and clear man So here we can see all the commands are available here. Passwd is a change the password using this command, and if we more filter this command and we say grab change, so clear man -k if we know something is password, and grab, suppose if I say change, so it's coming as a change. These are two commands I can use change. So L change, display or change user password policy. So here I can call this help man L change chag, and I can display or change user password policy. So here I can use this list. So quit from here, I can say lchage -l, and username is Smith. So it will tell me the account is not locked, maximum warning, inactive, last change, when this password was changed, password expired, never, password inactive, never. So this is how you can get the command. If you have a little bit of idea and you want to search what is the command, it is a very powerful tool you can use to make your life easy. So clear the screen. So there is another important command I can show you, man -aw mkdir. So this will give you only the location of those files. The same thing you can call how many manual pages are available for this is the exact location where those manual pages are located, and we can call this manual pages, say man, like suppose this one, if we want to call, we just copy, so we just enter, and Q for quit, and same thing we can see what is mkdir. So same thing with, we can look for the manual pages they are available, how many type of manual pages are available, and these are the manual pages, 4 kind, and same thing where the physical location is, where is mkdir. So this is will show in this way. So all all 3 commands will give you the same output. Clear the screen. So this is all about the help, manual help, how you can call. I will put the note I created in the and you know, you can see in the video attached with the video, and so see you soon on the next video. Thanks for watching.